So you are a local business and you seriously rely on the traffic within your community to support your business. You're also in competition with a lot of other businesses in your area, but people are coming to your website and they're not seeing anything that looks any different from your competition. And I guarantee that because they cannot see that distinction, you're actually losing business to your competitors. So here is a quick and simple fix to help with that problem. As you can see, this is an exterminator company, and all they have here in their header are that they are local professionals you can trust. Their name is a locally owned and operated pest control company that's been proudly servicing this area for over 35 years. And there's nothing wrong with that from an SEO perspective. It's hitting a lot of keywords like the location and what it is that they offer, but there's nothing compelling in this header at all. And in fact, when you scroll down, it just gets right into them talking about themselves. The problem with this is that customers or potential customers are coming to your website. They have a pest control need. They're looking for a solution. But your website, in this case, the website is not doing a great job at all in differentiating themselves from the competition. That's really, really important for you as an exterminator. You're competing against the other exterminators in your area. So when potential customers come to your website, they're new. This is an opportunity for you to wow them. And one of the things you need to do is answer questions that are on their mind and show them why they should pick you. What is different about you? So if we were to just leave this header, not do anything with it, I'm going to show you something you can do to make it even better. That's going to help people to trust you more and for you to stand out and hopefully get more people booking you for their pest control problem. So I've taken this, what they've already had, and I've added what's called here our value stacks. What you want to do here is basically highlight 3 things that show how you're different or address a common concern that customers have. So for example, one of the value stacks you could put in, these are just examples. I don't know if any of this is true, but I use this as an example. A little icon, and beside it, 85% of customers have been with us for over 5 years. That already boosts your credibility immensely because it helps me as a potential customer see, okay, so if people have been with you for a long time, that means you know what you're doing. And they really, not only do you know what you're doing, but they like you. They like the work you do. And that's really important to me. The other thing is we clean up after ourselves. There are going to be some situations, some pest control situations that you're dealing with that are going to create a mess. Perhaps one of the things you do is you clean up after yourself, or you basically leave the area as clean as it was when you first arrived, right? Instead of leaving dirt or whatever behind, and then you're leaving a mess for the customer. So this could be another value prop that you showcase and you tell people about right away. The third one, we guarantee to always be on time. That would be another important value proposition that your potential customer would want to know because they don't want to be waiting around all day waiting for you. So all you need to do just to up level that hero section, what people are initially going to see on their screen when they arrive on your homepage, are these 3 value props that already, without changing any of the copy in that right here, that they're going to see just by adding a little bit, by adding the value stacks or these value propositions, we've already helped that potential customer to feel like you are a professional, you know what you're doing. People really like being with you, and that those kinds of things are important to me. So now you know the quick and simple fix you can make to the hero sections of your website. You can also set yourself apart with your value propositions. Your value propositions can actually help you stop competing on price with the local competitors. To find out what I'm talking about, just click here.